Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the display panel cable from its ZIF connector on the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel beside the left speaker. Remove the two T9 Torx screws that secure the left hinge to the top cover. Pull the left hinge upright. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. Remove the wireless LAN antenna cables from the routing channel beside the right speaker. Note: if the notebook is configured with wireless WAN, disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless WAN module and remove them from their routing channel beside the right speaker. Remove the two T9 Torx screws that secure the right hinge to the top cover. Pull the right hinge upright. Remove the top cover from the display panel assembly. Replacement. Important. When installing a new top cover, remove the components attached to the old top cover and install on the new top cover. Place the top cover into position on the display panel assembly. Push the right hinge down until it's closed. Replace the two T9 Torx screws that secure the right hinge to the top cover. Route the wireless LAN antenna cables along the routing channel beside the right hinge. Connect the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN module. Note: if the notebook is configured with wireless WAN, route the antenna cables into their routing channel beside the right speaker and connect them to the wireless WAN module. Push the left hinge down until it's closed. Replace the two T9 Torx screws that secure the left hinge to the top cover. Route the display panel cable along the routing channel beside the left speaker. Connect the display panel cable to its ZIF connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.